Okay, Michelle, we're going to show how simple it is to measure your brushes. You're going to go inside, try to grab the sort of ponytail of the brush out. Take your tape measure in, directly across, and you'll see here, as a used machine that we have here, brushes are about 14.5 to 15. So we're getting into danger zone with this brush and the life expectancy of the motor and the gearbox. So that's how simple it is to do. Thanks, Michelle.
Thanks, Jack.
You can see the curls. And then on these ones, there's another way so you can see that. And you can see here how thin they're getting on the ends. The thinness is obviously, as it thins out, you're going to be pushing closer to the bus to try to get the coverage to clean and putting strain on your motor gearbox. Brand new brush, much thicker, much fuller. You see the ends. We call them flagged ends. Much more fuller brush. It'll reach all the way. So just understanding the length of the brush. The brush starts at 16 inches. That's a simple way to measure it. If you take it directly from the shaft, measure this out directly towards you, that would be a 16-inch. As it wears back, all you do is measure, and you'll see the simplicity of how far your brush is back. And as you swing it around, grab one closer here, and as you swing it around, you'll see it'll start to cut back to this level, maybe, and by far missing. Michelle and I are going to show you how easy it is to replace the brushes, no matter if it's a pulley or a foam brush. They all look the same on the back. It's about a 1 foot section, so depending on the height of your machine, this is your shaft. You'll be replacing them. Michelle will show you how easy it is to wrap around. Lining up the holes. Then you have 2 screws. Put the screws in, right into the hole. And that's how simple it is. Talk to Michelle, she'll tell you how many sections you need per machine. So with Michelle, we have a do-yourself video to walk this through, do we not?
Yes, we do. Step by step on how to take the old brushes off and how to put the new ones on.
Yeah, so pretty simple method. Just watch the video, give Michelle a call, she'll walk you through it. It'll take you about 2 hours to take off the old brushes and put on the new.
Yep.
Thanks for listening.